Hi, I'm Jackie with WTI, and I love older classic films from the 30s, 40s, 50s especially. And this one, Midnight, is one of my all-time favorite that I have watched since I was a little girl, and I am so happy it's available on DVD now. This movie is a classic Cinderella story told with a really fun spin. It takes place in Paris. It's got this beautiful actress, Claudette Colbert. You may have heard of her, you may have not heard of her, but that's one of the most amazing things, in my opinion, about these classic films. You get to see another time and place, beautiful fashion, beautiful scenery, really witty dialogue, excellent writing with these films back in the day. But also, you've never heard of them probably, or even if you have heard of them, if you haven't seen it, it's a look back through history. So that's just, I don't want to give anything away, but this is one of the most quotable movies in my opinion, and I quote it all the time with my family and close friends that have seen it. I think you'll love this movie, and it's fun for the whole family. Like I said, young and old alike, men and women will enjoy this. It's kind of a screwball comedy. There's like all kinds of things going on. It's slapstick, it's hilarious, and it's still a romantic Cinderella story. But without giving anything else away, I think you would love Midnight, and that's my point of view.